Vivid Voltage ETBs. I didn't think we were gonna get these again because the last one kind of sucked. But
yeah, but we figured we'd give it another shot, so we're gonna go and just get into these because we already know what's in them.
Yeah.
So.
That is using his big boy muscles.
Yeah, no scissors today. There you go. Like you want to see the dice. There's the dice.
So there's different colored dice. I've never played the game, so I don't really know what these are meant for.
Code card for them.
Y'all guys get lucky and get that Pikachu for us if we don't get it.
Let's see. How many packs we
We'll
get
save
here?
the Pikachus for last.
So they give us 2 of every kind.
Oh, that's cool.
So we're at 16 packs to open.
I actually just watched a review on the big one that we're gonna do, the Sword and Shield one.
How were the pools? Were they good?
They were good, yes. He got like a whole bunch of rainbow rares and all that. And he, everything in there is basically made of metal and gold. It looks like gold, but it's all made of metal, except for the card dividers
Yeah,
and
it's
sleeves.
supposed to be some heavy duty stuff. Okay, so this one, you got 3 of these.
At least that might mean we get a amazing rare on that one.
I don't know what that means, but we're just gonna get into
Are we
it.
gonna give the code card, or did you already give it?
I gave him the code card for that one. Wait, was there another one in this
I
one?
think so.
Oops. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna open up all the greens, set them to the side.
So it can be a little bit of a shorter video. So we can get into the bit.
Well, just because we still have the amazing rares we can find. All right. Nine.
Let's see what we got in the first of those.
Yeah.
How many do we get?
9 hits to 7.
Let's go.
So we'll start with the green.
Let's give y'all guys the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Isn't it
5.
5, and then we'll flip the back card.
So that one.
Dreadnought's the rare.
Terrican.
No, nothing good under here.
No.
Okay. We got it. So that's.
But you can still put leaving this as a
You can still do it. Just make sure you put it on there. What's he got?
You can still put amazing in the rare packs, it's just it's gonna be a double pack. So
Reverse. No. shit, you got Aurora. Is that? Get that maybe.
It's in tours over there. So it's nothing.
Oh, well, now we get into the good ones.
This is amazing, right? Electric.
Delmize.
Walmart. Cut me. Pikachu. Pikachu.
Leon.
Man, we do not have one.
No, we don't.
I want to put that rainbow rare version of him though.
The Centuring's not too bad.
And to put
It's
it
a
in the
nice
sleeve.
card.
Can I look at it in the
Oh,
sleeve?
yeah. Ding ding, hit number 1.
That Leon is a beautiful card. Let's see what Daddy has to get. Daddy, you have to pull out Pikachu now.
I know. Comes a reverse. Journa.
Pikachu.
Ah, we got another Pikachu VMAX. Look at that.
One.
Yeah.
Not a rainbow rare.
Dang, not a rainbow
We
rare.
keep on getting these regular VMAXs.
You
That's
can't
so-
can't complain, but the centering on this one's a little off, but the one we got earlier was a lot better. But that's awesome. That's a good one right there.
This was on the floor. The little room was about to leave it, so I bought it.
Cool story, bro. Well, I'm glad we got them.
Once again, see if we can get the rainbow rare now. A lot of cards. It's better than our last one. If y'all guys saw those 2 Elite Trainer boxes where we only got like 3 out of both of the boxes.
Yeah, this time we got a couple of good ones, and we got Pikachu VMAX, not the Rainbow Rare. So this is the second one we pulled. We'll keep looking for the rainbow.
Gotta keep looking.
And then we got our full art Leon trainer card, which that's pretty cool. But nothing else. Yeah. Well, we'll be back and we're gonna open up that big bad boy here shortly. Y'all like, share, and subscribe.
Peace. I love y'all.